Hey guys, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using an STL through a stock wizard. All an STL is a model of your part or geometry that you're using. It has to be a solid. So here I have a part here that basically what our part file is going to look like. We do have a little, ours is a little bit rounded over and chamfered on the sides here. But for demonstration purposes, this is going to work perfect for what we're doing. So we're going to move over to this tab here, and then what we're going to do is this is our part. You notice it's a round over, and we got chamfer here. So we'll just go up here to our stock, milling stock, right click, and go to our stock wizard. And we have all these options here, and we're going to pick the STL file. So we'll just click on the next, and then we're going to browse through it. So I got down here our model, so I'm going to click on that, and then open, and there it goes. Sets up our STL model in there. You notice how it's coming up here, and then on this side you can actually see it coming down to a angle in there. So, and then we have the options of using millimeter or inches. We're going to go ahead and use inches for this. So we'll just click on next. This one, this page right here is we're going to put up our origin. STL model. What it's looking for is going to give you wire geometry with a bunch of snap points of overall size of your X, Y, and Z of your part files here. So this part we're actually in the back left corner here. So once it's all complete, we'll just click OK. And what I'm going to think about wanting to do is we're going to use a slice planer. We're just going to go across this whole top part all the way across here. I've got it set up here, so we'll just go through the edit part here, and we're pretty much going to use everything in default with a little changes here and there. We're going to use arc fit on this because my machine accepts it. We're going to use a 1/2 inch ball end mill with a 1/4 inch radiuses on it. My lace angle defaults to 90, and that means it's going to go across the part. That may not look good for what I'm trying to achieve on my part, so we just set it for 90, or you can set it for 180. I want it to go lengthwise of the part file here. So we'll just click on next, and we're going to use a 0.1 step over, which is pretty much everything as default all the way through. We'll use a plunge, vertical lead in and lead out, extends. I don't want to go all the way down to the bottom part of it. I mean, you can, depends on what you're trying to slice plane there. I'm just going to do the top part here. So we'll just keep on going through. Let me use follow, and then I'm going to compute. Now I'm going to unblank my tool path here. And you see how it comes out. It starts here and ends here. And the cool thing about this STL model is when we go in here, I'll just go right into it, into our simulation here, is that you're going to see that angled piece up, and then you're going to might see a little bit of the angle on the bottom. So let's get this all set up. And then I'm going to bring this in. We're going to slow this down just a little bit. I'm going to get rid of the tool path here. I'm going to click on that and click that. And then we'll just hit run. I'm going to just let it watch a little bit. Now you notice how I have this angle piece here in our STL and then how it's going away. It's a great part of using an STL is that it's actually showing now everything's going to be taken away on there. We'll just kind of speed this up a little bit, and it's done. And that's how you use an STL model. Thanks.